Hello everyone, I'm Mr. McCaster and we're at Bayvale Elementary STEM Night. Tonight we're having our annual STEM Night, and it's to introduce the kids and inspire the kids to follow that pathway of STEM as they move on to middle school and high school. Just inspire them and let them see there's different jobs out here in the CSRA that involve STEM.
Hello, my name is LaToya Sams. I am here at Bayvale Elementary in Augusta, Georgia. Tonight here at the school we are having our STEM Night, and the purpose of it is just for the students to have exposure to science, technology, engineering, and math activities so that way they can explore and become familiar with the different exhibitors here in the area.
It's important because just look around, look at the kids, look how they're smiling, and some of it sparks that imagination to say, hey, I want to do that when I get older, you know? So I feel this is something that will help them build as they go on in the future.
It also bridges the gap between the community and the school, where it's open to the public, and the parents also get to go around and choose or see what is happening with science, technology, engineering, and math, and how we make the connections inside of the classroom.
I just want to thank everybody for coming out tonight, making this a big event. I can't wait till next year. It's going to be bigger and better, and just thank everybody for coming. Thank my staff, thank Bayvale, thank you.